Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to watch again the wedding embroidery herb. So here it is. So first we will see that how I trace the outlines. As you can see, first I created it on the blank A4 sheet paper and then I will copy just it on over here. So here I'm using first taking the measurement so that I got the equal halves of heart, and then I can write everything down here. As you can see, first I created a circle, big circle, and then I just draw two lines, one at the top and one at the bottom, and then I just created a shape of heart. So this makes that the heart shape is equal from both the sides, and then I again measure it with above that part, doing again the scaling part. So see, now my heart is complete. So then I took the reference that what I was planned in the design in the blank sheet. Then I created a women. So again I saw my design, and then from there I just created it. As you can see, it was a very easy drawing, yeah. And then I first draw the women and then the men. So as you can see here, I'm just creating it, and so this is the rough thing. And then I created an how much letter that I want. Like first I wanted to write in happy wedding anniversary. This was the wedding embroidery hook for the mom and our dad anniversary gift. So I just written down there, then I written mom, then heart, and then dad, and then I written the word that they are decided to be together on the day, and then I wrote the date on of their anniversary. So this is how first I created that what I have to write in between. So once it is done, and I started creating a flower, that what has to be in the hoop, how many flowers I have to put. So as it was a bigger one, so I included lot of bunches of flower. You go and watch my shorts, I already started posting over there. Then I posted all the lot of mini flowers, then here the leaves, and then I also put it in a straight flower and then a knot type. So there were different type of flowers I have created on this hook. So stay tuned for watching all of that, because it is going to be very beautiful. One mistake that I did in this wedding embroidery hook, you can comment me over here and tell me that what I did. Till then you go and enjoy my shots of this wedding series. So till then, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching my video, and stay tuned for the more videos. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.